Our stand is very clear that it is to be given to CBI. We feel that the Goa police is efficient, but Goa police is not in a position to get all these issues examined. It is to be examined in all levels. We are not asking for, hushing up any kind of inquiry. Inquiry should be by the CBI as committed by the Chief Minister of Goa. He has assured us that he'll give it. So what sort of preliminary inquiry? Let it go to CBI. CBI is also Government of India is run by the BJP. Let them investigate in
They are
detail.
saying that the opposition is afraid.
We are not afraid. Send it to CBI. You don't trust your Prime Minister? Send it to CBI. No. Why Goa police? No, let us not bring politics into any kind of inquiry. Inquiry has to be impartial. Inquiry cannot be biased. But this is a big thing involving an international agency. CBI is the right agency to investigate. The Chief Minister is on record saying that he'll send it to CBI. So why is he buckling down at the moment?
I'll just remind you, you have seen the Tejpal case. Finally, the government or the prosecution cannot give a CD to Tejpal. And they are the same people who are doing the investigation. So naming 3-4 guys and 5 guys doesn't make a difference. They will name another 10 guys and tell them to name it well. The more they name, every day evidence is coming up, little piece and meal. The case, the evidence and the case and the way police are handling it speaks volume. The project director who Parrikar criticized so much, we have on record that one of the trusts run by the BJP, he has donated one ambulance. Vachasundar has donated. Just find out those details. And what Vachasundar was given extension by Parrikar only. So where is the question of Vachasundar telling Vachasundar was given extension by Manohar Parrikar?